Galaxy Protection is a leading provider of remote guarding solutions. Galaxy Protection's Live Monitoring Center transforms traditional video surveillance systems into intelligent tools that can detect and analyze events involving people, objects, and vehicles. The highly scalable solutions enable real-time detection and alerts, forensic search, and statistical analysis, which can be applied to security, safety, and business intelligence applications across many markets. Our Live Monitoring Center allows our highly trained staff to manage and control access to your property utilizing two-way audio communication to help deter and prevent crimes. Deployed nationwide, Galaxy Protection's Virtual Guard Monitoring responds to the practical surveillance challenges of the 21st century. Surveillance redefined.